Our Frigidaire Pure Source Ultra water and ice filter. Have a look here. First we'll make sure that the ice machine is turned off. Currently is turned off. Push it into discharge. There we go. Existing filter. Things there. Take off the caps and simply push it in until it locks. Alright, there we go. We just replaced the Frigidaire Pure Source Ultra water and ice filter in our Frigidaire Gallery fridge combo freezer. As you can see as well, we've reset our filters. You simply would go to your filter setting, hold to reset, and don't forget the one thing you want to do too is turn your ice tray back on, your ice maker back on. Anyways, thanks for watching.